and cider sweet. I drink them, wasps, honey, effete. Bittersweet minds designs a first, as the parched throat cries out in thirst. We believe hope a block of tar, as the laugh peals shrill from afar. Feathers are white, the glue is blue, shadows slinking out of town flew. There are dreams deconstructed stock in moonlight, their contours are dark, indifferent tongue sharper than knives, cynicism a way of life. There is truth hidden in disgrace, while flames await high deathly trace. The squandered light, the death of Swansea dawn, shot young one. There will be tomorrow's ventures, suns kiss green valleys, indentures. The sad sound of burning cellos flying through my spine turned bellows. Impenetrable, logic stained, fire struck bleak able, winding its way through packed boxes, moving habits, paradoxes. There is heart between moon and sun, dragons beat death, and stars outrun 16 to 9 inches, splashing images in your face, lurching. There is past lurking in the light, blind paths, hidden stairs night, like rungs of clues leading nowhere, where angels exhale golden air. There is now accumulation, tight flashbacks, threaded pins junction,